And I'll share it with you in a moment more about the differences between wants and needs. Because our wantings are often tangled up with disappointment, grief, guilt, fear, and shame. For some, that wanting is unsafe. For others, it feels selfish and unrealistic. But none of it means that we're doing anything wrong. We're just putting a higher expectation on it because we're not forcing desire. We're actually surrounded by so much in our lives that tells us we need it. You look at all the advertising boards now, that most of them are electronic. While you're sat in that traffic, you are drawn to this huge board that's on the side of the road. And it's busy telling you that you want the latest car, you want the latest office, you can go and hire the latest office. Oh, and this new drink is coming out, and oh gosh, there's fast food on there as well. So many things you are being bombarded with. So it works on this sense of lack that's going on in your mind. And you're not aware of that sense of lack because, again, it's an unconscious thing that we carry. And so you're gravitating towards, oh, I've got to get off this road. I've got to get something to drink. I can't wait to go and get something to eat. Well, that's convenient. I'll just stop over there. So then you end up making choices that are not as healthy for you, or you set store on expectations